Hi guys. So I have been printing with my resin printer. It's really a lot of fun, honestly. And as I told you, I will take a decision over this water washable resin or this with the IPA washable. And well, I made some examples here. I have made some different prints which is water washable. And honestly, I can't see any different. So, but the layers, yeah, well, they're exactly the same. I mean, take a look at this guy here. It looks really, really great. So I also printed some clear resin, but that was has to be cleaned in IPA, and it's difficult to see because it's clear, but okay, it looks really great and it's smooth, but it is still smelling bad. All the gloves, the mask, and all this kind of stuff. The IPA was quite expensive. I bought 5 liters for more than 100 euros. I know I can get it a little bit cheaper locally here, but I mean, the water is simply just easier to handle. The smell is less, and the impact on the environment is also less. So I have decided to buy, now I tried this from G-Tech, and it is water washable resin. And I think I'll be happy with that. And as you can see here, now I will try it is from, who is the supplier here? G-Tech, yeah. And I see also that there's coming more and more water washable resin on the market, and the price is not really high or higher. It says that the normal cure time is 6 to 10 seconds. I think it's not for a mono printer, but what's called an LCD print. So I think I will be around 2.5 seconds here, as I have been on the other prints here. You can't drink it. It's clearly stated here on the bottle. Well, I anyway didn't want to try. I will of course still use gloves, and well, I will use glasses so I not get something in the eye and so on. But my decision is taken. I will use water washable resin, and these cases where I can do. If I need stronger resin, I have matter of fact not looked into that. It's possible to find water washable there as well. But for now, I will use this and have quite a lot of fun with that. Decision taken, and yeah, see you another time. And matter of fact, in the coming days we will have some about workflow on the CNC. So see you there. Bye bye.